Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can get Stripe Webhook secret key. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to stripe.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click on Sign In. That'll take you to the login screen. Go ahead and enter your email and password linked to your Stripe account, and then hit Sign In again to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're basically at the control center of your Stripe account. From here, scroll down the sidebar and find the Developers section. Click on it. It's where you'll find all the tools related to APIs, webhooks, and integrations. Inside the developer area, you'll see an option labeled Webhooks. Go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to create a new webhook endpoint. Click on Add Endpoint or Add Destination depending on what it's labeled as in your view. This is the part where you'll tell Stripe where to send event notifications when certain actions happen, like when a payment is completed. When prompted, start by choosing event types to listen for. First, select Checkout Session. Completed this one triggers after a successful checkout. It's key if you're handling product purchases or subscriptions. Then go ahead and add another event type called Invoice. Payment succeeded. This will notify you every time an invoice is paid successfully. Super useful if you're working with subscriptions or billing cycles. After selecting your events, click Continue. You'll now be asked to enter the webhook endpoint URL. This is where Stripe will send the data. It should point to your backend route or API handler that's ready to process incoming webhook events. Paste in the correct URL for your server or local environment. You can also add a short description for reference. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple webhooks. Once that's done, go ahead and click Create Endpoint. Stripe will now finalize the setup and begin routing event data to your specified address. After this, you'll be shown the full configuration, including the webhook secret. This is what you'll need to securely verify incoming webhook requests on your server. Copy this secret and store it somewhere safe. You'll use it to validate Stripe's messages and prevent any spoofed requests, and just like that, you're all set up.